Are you having issues starting your classic vehicle? Well, there's many different parts that can be involved within starting system. Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for changing out the ignition switch in my 79 Bronco. This also applies to any of the F-Series trucks in the 70s era. Now the ignition switch will be different, but the same process applies on how you can change the switch out. I've included links to all the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it. Put your key in, turn to accessory, and then insert paper clip in this little hole here. It should turn all the way, and then slide right out, just like that. It should turn all the way, and then slide right out. Now there's two ways you can do this. If you have the correct removal tool, it fits over this, and you can use a wrench to turn this. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but as you can see, it's been marred up quite a bit by changing that out in the past. So another way to do that is to work from the back side, and that is to unplug the ignition switch and then actually turn the whole body, and it should just unscrew off of this retaining ring that's on the outside. So I'm going to get down below and spin it off from the back side. Okay, so I just pulled the plug out and holding it in the front. There we go. Should just twist right off like that. So much easier than damaging the paint on the front side. Boom, just like that. Alright, so the best way to find the orientation is to spin it until I want it to be like this. It's still loose, so I will need to like put a screwdriver in here and get this tight. Okay, so I used a screwdriver and spun the position of the inside of the switch to be vertical like this. It was kind of off at an angle, and when I tried to turn it to be straight, it was spring loaded, so I had to spin it the other direction. The way that the start sequence is in these 79 Broncos and F-Series trucks is when you initiate the start on the key, you're actually activating the ignition switch. From the ignition switch, the ignition is going down to the neutral safety switch and then to the starter solenoid. When it hits the starter solenoid, it activates your starter, but it also gives power to the ignition box, electronic ignition module. And then when you let off and it fires up, then it's going to send power from that electronic ignition module to the coil and the distributor, and then that's going to allow power to go from the distributor and distribute to the spark plug. So that's your whole start sequence. There's many different things that can go wrong. If you're having issues with starting, your starter's just running, but it's just not firing, it could be the neutral safety switch, anywhere within that system. So it's important to check and diagnose from the beginning to the end, and that way you can narrow down your issue with starting. Thanks for watching this how-to video for my 79 Bronco and many F-Series trucks. If you enjoyed it, smash down that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And don't forget, I've included links to all the products and tools I used today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.